What's up, everybody? Skyhook Garage. Got another quick one here for you. This is a 2018 Mazda 6, and we're going to be putting it into brake service mode so we can do the rear pads and rotors on this vehicle. This will be a quick video. If you guys need to run the electronic calipers back, the parking brakes back, retract the pistons in the calipers, and that way you can perform the pads and or rotor replacement. So this video, real quick, I'll show you how to get it into maintenance mode and then back out of said maintenance mode. So a couple things to start off with. Okay, we got our push button there. We got our electronic parking brake button here. And we're going to want to start with the vehicle on and the parking brake off. So two presses of the buttons. All the lights come on the dash. We're going to press the brake pedal, push down on the electronic parking brake. Okay, now they're fully released. Now the next step is let go of the brake pedal. And I'm going to have to switch hands here because what you want to do is you're going to push down on the electronic parking brake. And while holding down, you're going to need to press the gas pedal all the way down through the kick down. You're going to feel a little, almost like a button at the bottom there. You got to want to go all the way to the floor, into that kick down and past it. And then we're going to be pressing the button up there, the engine start button, 3 times within 5 seconds. So press down on this and hold it the whole time. Press the gas pedal all the way down and hold it the whole time. And then you're going to press that 3 times. So it'll go from on currently to off, then accessory, then back to ignition. And once that happens, you'll see some flashing on the dash, and then you're going to probably hear the electronic parking brakes retract. So let's do that real quick. I'm going to hold the button down. Try to tilt this up for you. Press the gas all the way down. And then 3 button presses in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And if you're listening, you can hear the electronic parking brakes retract in the pistons. Keep holding until you're done hearing those parking brakes run. Okay, so they're out. You can release everything and turn the ignition off. And it should say maintenance mode. It looks like this doesn't, but it should have some brake indicator blinking. Let's turn the ignition back on real quick. Okay, the parking brake light right there. Okay, that's going to be indication with it being on with the key off that, hey, we got an issue. Issue being that it's in maintenance mode. Okay, so real quick, let's say fast forward, you've done the work and you want to put it back out. It's going to be the same exact process, just instead of pushing down on the button, you're going to be pulling up on the button. All right, so we'll just put it back in while we're here. Again, pull up on the button, hold it. Gas pedal all the way down, and 3 button presses within 5 seconds. Keep holding. You'll hear the pistons retracting or pushing back out, the motors driving the pistons back out into the brake pads. Okay, once you stop hearing the pistons move, you can let go of everything. All right, and we'll come back over to the dash, and our indicator is now extinguished, and we're back to normal brake operation. All right, so that's how to get it into service mode and back out of service mode. All right, turn the ignition off. Make sure you pump up the pedal a couple times. If you did replace the pads, just make sure those pistons are fully seated in the pads, and then do the brake into the brake pads. All right, hope this helps, and till next time, thanks.